If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. To start off, let's take a look at what has changed with Claude Code on desktop. Now you will see that it has a huge redesign in terms of the app, and you can now run multiple Claude Code sessions side by side. The chat, co-work, as well as Claude Code has been added to the left-hand panel. Nothing too complicated. It looks a lot easier and sleek, and you'll actually notice that Claude Code now within the desktop app looks a lot different. You can now run multiple Claude Code sessions inside this overall Claude session, where you have the ability to add multiple sessions running simultaneously within a single window. You also have this new sidebar, which makes it easy for you to manage everything in a single spot. You also have routines, which is something that we will mention upon in a bit. On top of that, the desktop experience now includes an integrated terminal. This is where you have built-in file editing, HTML and PDF previews, and a much faster diff viewer, all wrapped inside a flexible drag and drop layout that you can customize to your workflow. And importantly, your CLI plugins still work exactly the same as they do on the command line, so you're not losing any of that power. Now, unfortunately, guys, this desktop app update is only available for macOS and Windows users. It's not available for Linux users just yet. Should be deployed within the next few weeks. But if you're looking to update it, you can obviously do so by opening up the Claude app, and it will automatically be updated when you click the relaunch button. But if you do not have this app, you can easily install it within this website over here. Also, all these clips that I'm getting is from Daniel on Twitter, and I highly recommend that you follow him because he has a lot of information on Claude Code, in-depth analysis on it. But something new that they have added is a powerful addition inside the Claude Code app, which is the ability to start a session directly from a pull request. This means you can jump straight into reviewing, editing, or debugging code from a PR without needing to manually set up everything. This is going to make the whole process significantly faster and more seamless. Another upgrade is the ability to open multiple panels within Claude Code. This essentially means you can bring up previews, pull request diffs, tasks, different sorts of plans, and even spin up another terminal directly within the app, all inside this same workspace. So if you think about it, you can run asynchronous agents working simultaneously to tackle any complex task. Now, obviously, it's going to be really scary if you're going to be running into a lot of rate limits, but that is the only downside with this Claude Code app. It essentially is going to turn it into a fully self-contained development environment now, and it is where everything you need is accessible side by side without constantly switching tools. The interface itself is now much more tailored towards a developer-first experience, with more compact inputs and stronger emphasis on agent execution and real development workflows. So instead of it feeling like a traditional chat interface, it now feels closer to a true IDE, where Claude is actively working alongside you rather than you just responding to prompts. It's clear that this version is laying the groundwork for something much bigger, especially as more agentic features, automations, and deeper system integrations start to roll out. Anthropic is truly killing it recently, and I see a lot of potential with this new desktop app. Now, to showcase how you can set up the previews, what you can do is you can simply right click on this top right button, and this is where you can check where you can actually preview your generations. And this way, you're going to be able to see exactly what is happening with your server on the right hand panel. And this way, you can actually work with the AI to visualize what is happening. And soon we should be able to see what it had generated. I essentially had requested it to create a Minecraft clone, and it will sooner or later showcase over here. And you can see this is the Minecraft clone that it has generated. Now, it's not going to work exactly as I had expected, but that is just a rough preview of what you can actually do in terms of previewing your generations within this panel. Now, what you can also do is view diffs. You have the ability to also view the terminal. So if you want to execute tasks through a terminal, you can do so directly through it over here. You can also visualize your tasks as well as the plan mode.